What's going on, folks? In this video, there are three main keys that I want you to take away from the live trade recording that I'm going to show you after this. The first one is that sometimes when you're trading, you are just going to miss moves. It's simple as that. Sometimes it'll even be moves that you planned out on. In this video, I had a setup that I was watching in the pre-market. The setup came, and unfortunately, I missed out on that move, and I ended up having to watch it go to my target and beyond. And while it was hurtful, it's in the rearview mirror. It's something that I can't control. And the ability to stay present leads me into segment number two, which is the fact that every trade is independent. What happens, whether you take a loss or you miss out on a move, whatever, that doesn't matter. You need to stay present. And I was able to do that and capitalize on a different move that came up in the middle of the day on the NASDAQ, right? And this leads me into segment number three, which is the fact that even though I saw a new setup, because it was something that I didn't really plan on taking, I dropped my size, right? A lot of people, when they're trading, they keep their trading size consistent, whether it's an A plus setup or a C setup or a B setup or whatever, which that doesn't make any sense. Why would you risk the same amount of money on something that you're extremely confident in on something that you're not as confident in? You tell me, right? So the fact that I dropped that size, even though the trade ended up being a winner and I came out green on the day, not all trades are created equal. I was able to, keep that in mind while taking this trade. And this is something that I want you guys to take with you as you continue your trading journey. So drop a comment on this video if you have any questions. Of course, like the video and share it with your friends. Now let's get into that live trade example. So first things first, I'm watching this upper balanced range for rejection. I want to see us have a strong push up into here, push above like this 48.05 area, and then see us snap back in like shortly after testing that area. We've been trading in balanced conditions pretty much since yesterday, so I'm just really trying to take advantage of that and just play along with the conditions. All right, so there's our push. Now let's see if we can get the rejection. I'm taking that right now. If I can get filled. Damn, I missed it. Dang it. That's really crazy, bro. I think I'm gonna put risk on NQ, which is smaller size. I'm gonna see if I can get filled at like, okay, and with half size on NQ. And I would like for us to see, just like get a sweep of like that 16,880. Not going for anything too crazy. I honestly don't. I'm not really a super fan of the structure on NQ. I just really like the sweep, like of those upper highs that we got. Like we broke above the pre-market high and then rejected, and I like that. So I'm gonna just, okay, yeah, it's really coming into this target. I'm gonna just put my limit order, and then we'll go from there. We're 10 points out. There it is.